Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. When you travel the world, you quickly realize that almost every country offers a unique take on the humble hamburger. From the elaborate constructions of the United States to the simpler street food versions found elsewhere, the burger adapts to fit its local culture. New Zealand's contribution stands out as particularly distinctive, packing unexpected flavors and textures between two sesame seed buns. We're talking about the Kiwi burger, a messy, satisfying meal that captures the true essence of New Zealand comfort food. This video will break down exactly what makes this burger so special. We'll explore the essential ingredients, trace its origins, and give you practical instructions on how to create this iconic meal at home or find a truly authentic one on your travels. Prepare for a delicious journey into the unique world of the Kiwi burger. What makes a Kiwi burger different from the rest? At first glance, the Kiwi burger might look familiar. It has a bun, a patty, and some greens. However, the true definition lies in a few crucial additions that transform it from a regular beef burger into a culinary icon. It isn't just a burger served in New Zealand. It's a specific, ingredient-mandated creation. While other burgers focus on complicated sauces or premium cuts of meat, the Kiwi burger relies on three mandatory elements to create its signature profile. These elements are simple, everyday ingredients, but their combination creates a distinctive taste found nowhere else. It reflects a rugged, down-to-earth approach to fast food, born from local takeaways and small shops, not from global franchises. The core ingredients, what's always included. The Kiwi burger starts with a solid foundation, often using ingredients found in many classic burgers. This foundation sets the stage for the unique elements to shine. A beef patty is the heart of the burger. It's usually thin, lightly seasoned, and cooked until just browned. Unlike thick American-style patties, Kiwi versions tend to be wider and flatter, allowing the toppings to blend evenly with each bite. Melted cheese, usually a slice of cheddar or processed cheese, sits directly on top of the hot patty. The heat from the meat softens the cheese, creating a rich layer that binds the elements together. Fresh produce, typically crisp lettuce and sliced tomato, adds texture and freshness. They cut through the richness of the beef and cheese, giving balance to the overall flavor. The bun is lightly toasted, often with sesame seeds, giving a gentle crunch that contrasts the soft interior. Some shops use plain buns, but the toasted variety remains the favorite for texture and aroma. Many versions also include crispy bacon. While bacon has become a popular addition, it remains secondary to the essential components that define the true Kiwi burger. A brief history: where did the Kiwi burger come from? The origin of the Kiwi burger is closely tied to New Zealand's local food scene, the fish and chip shops and dairies, which are small convenience stores. These small, independent shops were the heart of the country's casual dining culture before international chains became common. They often served up simple, hearty burgers designed for a filling meal after a long day. The concept of the Kiwi burger developed naturally in these local shops. Cooks used whatever ingredients were on hand, and during times when fresh produce was limited, canned beetroot became a common addition. Over time, those slices of beetroot became a defining feature. The fried egg, another essential part, likely came from New Zealand's love of substantial breakfasts. It was a natural extension to add a fried egg to a burger, making it more satisfying. The idea of including breakfast-style ingredients in an all-day meal became a distinct cultural touchstone. Fast food chains later tried to imitate the Kiwi burger. McDonald's, for example, once introduced its own version. However, it often missed the core authenticity, sometimes omitting the beetroot or overcomplicating the sauce. To experience the real thing, you need to find one made the traditional way, with the defining ingredients intact. The secret ingredients that define Kiwi awesomeness. There are three elements that make a Kiwi burger unmistakable: the fried egg, the beetroot slices, and the balance of sauces that tie everything together. If any of these are missing, it's not truly a Kiwi burger. The iconic fried egg, messy, flavorful, and necessary. The fried egg is the visual centerpiece and the defining feature of a Kiwi burger. It's not an optional topping, it's essential. The egg is typically cooked over easy or medium, leaving the yolk slightly runny. When you bite into the burger, the yolk breaks, releasing a creamy, golden richness that coats the other ingredients. This natural sauce binds the beef, lettuce, and bun into a single, unified flavor experience. The runny yolk gives depth, making the burger juicy and indulgent without needing heavy condiments. Without the fried egg, the Kiwi burger would lose its soul. You've just discovered the story and tradition behind the Kiwi burger, a true New Zealand original that turns a simple meal into cultural pride. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.